everybody wants to know how I wash clothes. And thanks to one of my BFFs, she donated a washer for us. And so this is how I do it. I have an extension cord running in my bathroom. I take the cord and put it through this little thing so that it does not get wet. And I put the drain down the drain and I fill it up with the water out of the shower. And once it fills, bada bing, bada bang, I wash. And then this little area over here dries out. This little washer, amazing. I'm talking about amazing. It cleans, it does the job. I'm just saying. I use hot water, I use cold water, I use laundry detergent, I use bleach. Everything in it, just like a regular washing machine. And it does the job. Oh, by the way, I should close that so that the water stays in. But that's about it. So let me fill it up and then I'll show you it washing. Hold on. Started, put some soap in it. Look at it. It spins that water around. Makes you nice, sudsy suds. Start dropping stuff in. I could put like 10 shirts in there and a bunch of socks. When I do Will's shorts or pants, it's like maybe 2 pair of pants, and like 5 shirts, and a bunch of socks. Just keep letting it fill. It's just like an agitated washing machine. Now with this one, I rinse like twice because of the soap content that I use. And make sure that it all gets out. But I rinse twice and then I wring it out. And it works with the lid up. Close. It's not full yet. Still got a long way to go. Kind of wring it out. We've been using this since now almost a year. Been almost a year. A little bit under a year, so about 10 months. I'm just washing this thing. That's it. I usually wash once a week. And we have about 3 loads once a week. And that usually takes care of all our clothes. Sometimes, like right now, I've let a week go by. There's a lot has been going on. And when that happens, then I have more loads to wash. And this week, this is already load number 3. I probably have maybe 2 more loads to do. Close. it's full. And we'll send it around for a spin. And it will spin and clean the clothes. Alright. Shut the lid. When it's time, it will wash for 15 minutes. Then you can drain it. And there's standard and soft. I don't never use the soft, but standard. And then this is your spin cycle. It does a 5-minute spin. And let me tell you, it gets to dry. The clothes pretty dry. So that's how I wash in our RV. Please like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube. Live the good life
and live in the dream.